In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menu in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable drop-down you can reuse across your designs, and we'll do it the fast way by starting from a community template. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. You can work in the web app, and if you're already signed in, great. If not, that's fine. Figma may prompt you to log in before you bring a file into your workspace. Next, head to the community section. This is Figma's built-in library of files and resources shared by designers worldwide. It's a great place to grab ready-made components so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the community search bar, type drop-down menu. Using that exact phrase will surface a variety of UI kits and standalone components. You'll see options in different styles: light, dark, minimal, and more. You can preview files to check what's included, like open and close states, hover styles, and variant organization. Look for templates that mention components or variants. Those will be easier to maintain as your design grows. Once you find a template you like, click into it to view the details, then choose Open in Figma. This will add a copy of the file to your draft so you can edit it without changing the original. Give it a second to load. Large files can take a moment. Now it's time to customize. Start by selecting the drop-down component on the canvas. In the right-hand panel, you can adjust properties like fills, strokes, corner radius, and effects to match your brand. Double-click text layers to change the label and menu items. Keep an eye on spacing. If the label is long, tweak padding so the layout still feels balanced. If the template uses auto layout, your drop-down should resize smoothly as you edit text. If there are variants, switch between the closed and open states to ensure your styles are consistent. You can replace icons by swapping instances or dragging in a different icon set, making sure sizes and alignment match the template. Rename layers and components clearly so they're easy to find later. This is especially helpful if you plan to reuse the drop-down across multiple screens. Finally, sanity check the interaction that opens the menu. Many templates include it by default. If present mode is available, quickly preview to confirm that the open and close states look right and that text remains legible. That's it. You've sourced a drop-down from the Figma community, opened it in your workspace, and customized it to fit your design. Save your work, and you're ready to reuse this component across your project.